We are so high up. Please don't look down. Are we gonna fall?
I still can't believe we paid this much money. Just to stand in long lines.
And eat overpriced sugar, Mark.
I'm pretty sure they did put a price on it and it was printed on our tickets.
Mommy, look over there. I want a giant pink cotton candy.
It's not just sugar, Sarah. It's a carefully engineered, highly profitable childhood memory. You can't put a price on that.
No way! We have to ride the Fire Dragon first! It's the tallest roller coaster in the whole park!
All right, you two thrill seekers go conquer the dragon. Lily and I are gonna find the carousel.
Keep your phone volume loud, all right? We will meet you at the exit in 20 minutes.
I'm a little nervous, Dad. My stomach feels funny. Wow, we are going up really fast! Mom and Lily look like tiny ants!
Enjoy the view while you can, kiddo.
Dad, why did we stop? We aren't at the top yet.
Well, that is an interesting plot twist. Seems the dragon needs a coffee break. Don't panic, they probably just tripped a safety sensor.
Mommy, why is the roller coaster sleeping on the hill?
Excuse me, sir? Is it standard operating procedure to...
Just a minor technical fault, ma'am. Our system automatically halts the cars if it detects even a slight irregularity. We have a mechanic climbing the stairs now.
It's shaking! Dad, a huge wind just hit us. What if we roll backward?
Hey, focus on me, Jack. The anti-rollback dogs, those loud clicking things you heard, they physically lock us in place. We cannot roll backward. We are just enjoying a very expensive, very stationary view.
I'm still really scared. My hands are shaking a lot.
That is just adrenaline, buddy. You know what helps? Distraction. Remember when we tried to build that tree house?
Yeah. She came outside with a broom and started yelling at the wood.
Exactly. If we survive Mrs. Gable's wrath, we can survive a 10-minute delay on a theme park ride. Sorry for the scenic pause, folks. A computer sensor got a little too sensitive. We will have you moving in about 30 seconds. Take your time, man. I was just giving my son a lecture on structural engineering. Hold on tight! Here we go!
That was amazing! We went so fast at the end. Jack! Dad! Look, I got the pink cotton candy.
Welcome back to solid ground, boys. I was about 2 minutes away from calling in a helicopter extraction.
We were completely fine. We had a great time up there. Right, Jack?
I was really scared at the top.
You did great, Jack. Being brave doesn't mean you aren't scared. It means you feel the fear, you stay calm, and you get through it anyway.
Yeah! Can we ride it again?
Let's stick to the carousel for the rest of the day, okay? My stomach needs a break.
That was a crazy adventure. But were you paying attention? What kind of food did Lily want to buy when we first got to the park? Yay! I want to jump in the water first.
Wait for me, Lily. Let's find our chairs first, okay?
Jack! Come swim with us. I brought something really cool today. I'm coming, Tom. Race you to the water. Splash me again, Jack. That was so much fun. Watch this. Oh no. Ha. Look, everyone. Watch my new underwater dive. Jack, look at the water over there. What is that? I don't know. Is that a fin? A real fin?
Shark! Everybody get out of the water right now!
Kids, come here to me, right now, please!
Help! Somebody help us, please!
Help! Get out! Run!
I can't move! My legs feel like they are stuck.
Jack! Listen to my voice! Swim to the edge, now!
I'm too scared, Dad. It's getting closer to me. Jack, please swim. It's almost next to you.
Somebody help my son, please! He can't move!
Please hurry, Alex! My son needs you! Everyone stay calm. I am going into the water right now. I'm right here, Jack. Grab onto my arm tightly.
I can't. I am too scared to move at all.
You are safe with me now. I will not let go. There we go, buddy. You're completely safe now.
Jack! Are you okay? Come here, my brave boy.
I was so scared, Mom. I really thought it was real.
Wait a moment. Let me look at this shark more closely. Ha! It's a giant pool toy. Oh no, that's my inflatable shark. It slipped out of my hands. Heh, here you go, kid. Ha! This is not a shark at all.
It was just a toy this whole time? That is so funny. I really thought it was a real shark out there.
I'm very sorry, Jack. I didn't know my toy would scare everyone.
Jack, it's okay to feel scared sometimes. Everyone feels scared sometimes. But next time, try to stay calm and quickly tell an adult. That's exactly right. Always let a grown-up check first before you panic.
I understand now. I will remember that important lesson.
We are very proud of you. For staying brave in the water today.
You are still the bravest big brother that I know. Can we please go back into the water again now?
Of course we can. Let's all swim together this time.
I promise, Jack. No more surprises for the rest of today.